The Samsung Galaxy S21 series is all set to be announced on 14th of January, and you can catch the live event on Samsung's website or on Samsung's YouTube channel. Today however guys, we are here to take a look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 21 Ultra, but before that, hello guys, how are you? And if this is your first time on the channel, may I just suggest you to subscribe. Now here comes our very first look at the Samsung's Galaxy Note 21 Ultra courtesy of LetsGoDigital. But before we dive in, man, I gotta give a shout out to Spinelli. I hope I'm not butchering that name, but my man, your renders are at a whole new level. With that, let's take a look at what the new Galaxy S21 looks like. From the front, we have a very similar designed smartphone with almost non-existing bezels and curved display on both of the sides. Also, a very small hole punch camera can be seen on the top. As for the under display camera, it is still unclear would Samsung use that on the Note 21 or not. It all depends on is the Samsung's under display camera technology ready for mainstream use, because no way Samsung uses a ZTE like under display camera. That shit is just not ready. From the back, we have the biggest change. We have a similar camera design as the Galaxy S21 rising from the frame. One thing which is different this time is that the camera bump has a black color while the smartphone can come in many colors. This personally looks very dazzling and for sure will be an outstanding design. Also, I love the fact that they have body colored rings surrounding all the cameras and all the sensors. Then we have a small box for the Galaxy Note 21 similar to the iPhone 12's box. I hate you Apple for doing this. And also guys, do you know that Apple have removed chargers and cables from all the iPhones they sell now? Not just the 12 series, but they have removed them from the older iPhones as well. And that also scares me, because would Samsung also remove the charger and earphones from S20s and the Note 10 and others, which originally did launch with a charger and earphone inside the box? Another thing which I noticed is the S Pen placement. On the Note 20 Ultra, the pen was present on the left hand side, but it seems like the pen has once again gone back to the right hand side. Another thing which these renders show is the shape of the pen. It shows that the pen has a circular shape, and I would love that so much. A circular pen would be so much comfy to use, but I doubt that it will ever happen, because a circular pen would take more space inside the smartphone body. But still guys, because they will be selling a thicker rounded, more actual pencil like S Pen for the S21 series, you can buy that separately if you are not happy with your Note's S Pen. That is it guys for the first look of the Galaxy Note 21 Ultra. I like this design, and you could let me know your thoughts about the Note 21 Ultra in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Hit the like button if you love this new design of the Note. You can also follow me over on Twitter. And guys, thanks a lot for watching.